It would start with the cart with the wheels removed, and go ahead and set it up on the edge, Armando. For best access, tip the cart up on its side. On this particular cart, we're replacing the left gearbox, but they are interchangeable. They will fit on both sides. First, remove the two 4mm Allen screws. There is a 4mm wrench in your toolkit that came with your 1200. Then remove the two 10mm nut and bolts on the forward part of the gearbox. Do you want to do that from up there or tip it down? The next step is to remove the two screws that hold the drive motor onto the gearbox. When those screws are loosened, the motor will fall away from the gearbox. Now the gearbox is removed. Let me get the new one. What's the first step to put the motor back together? First step is to put the drive motor back into the new gearbox. It may take some twisting, turning, but it will seat. Then align the two holes for the screws. Then you align the front two nuts and bolts. Then replace the two screws from the underside. These are the Allen set screws. We're using bench tools here, but you should have enough tools to perform this job in the toolkit that came with your GRX1200. At this point, all you need to finish up is tightening of the nuts and bolts, tightening the two screws that attach the motor to the gearbox, reassemble your drive wheels, and you should be off and ready to play golf again.